Welcome back to Wolves Den. Today we're going to look at the Immediate Threat Solutions Boo Boo Kit, first aid kit. I don't like the name myself personally, but Boo Boo, awesome kit. I've used it with Nat Geo, Netflix, etc. in the jungles. It is sealed, resealable, like a Ziploc bag. Is not a trauma kit, is a first aid kit. It's proved fantastic. We all carry as aircrew first field dressings, cat tourniquets, all the kind of trauma stuff. But as a kit is awesome. This is a new one that I was given, and we'll move over to this. Some have changed because I've used it. So obviously we have a Ziploc bag, contents instructions. Keep the Ziploc bag because we can carry water in it. So we've got gloves, tape, medics, we love tape. Awesome in the jungle, tweezers. We've got a quick hot 4x4 dressing, some gauze, a cold pack, a syringe for irrigation of wounds, face shield, I don't really like these types, some hand swabs. And then the smaller kit, so in the one bag, we get 2 kits. The second one, which I've used most, we've got a triangular bandage with some safety pins, some burn gel, a sterile gauze pad. The 4x4 I've actually used, so I've had to replace this locally. Really cool part of the kit is we get some sting relief, steri strips, all in a small Ziploc bag. The one I use most is a bunch of tablets like OTCs. So you've got acetaminophen, antihistamines, that kind of thing. My only problem is with the kit particular is the labelling is so small and I'm getting old, so I can't actually see them. So I have to write on the reverse in a Sharpie pen what it actually is because I can't see it when I need it. And then some band-aids. So it's a really good kit. It's not trauma based. I'll show the contents. There, it lists what it contains. And it's perfect. Like I said, as aircrew, we all carry a trauma kit, individual first aid kit with cat tourniquets, a trauma dressing, but 99% of the time, you don't have a massive bleed, you've got upset stomachs, all these kind of things. So I was given these by Jason at Pragmatic Paramedics. It's an awesome kit, highly recommended, perfect. From the Wolves Den, stay safe.